Helmet Fit and ABC Quick Check. Teach your kids to wear their helmets properly and to do an ABC Quick Check each time they ride their bike. This will help them to be more comfortable and confident on their bicycles.
Check your helmet for a good fit every time you put it on. Helmets only last 2 to 4 years and should be replaced after any crash or significant impact. Helmets should fit snugly and move with the head. The chin strap is not what holds them on. If you can press your thumb into your tire at all, you are likely to need air. Bike tires need air as often as once a week to maintain proper pressure. A range of pressure labeled PSI is listed on your tire. Standing next to your bike, roll the bike backward and squeeze the right handbrake. It should stop completely. Roll the bike forward and squeeze the left hand brake. Again, the bike should stop quickly. It is very important to be able to stop your bike and know you can rely on your brakes. Take a quick ride close to home or in the driveway to test your bike before you leave your house.